and welcome to my channel. Well, in this review I'm going to show you a 1/10 scale buggy that'd be perfect for your kids. Obviously you can get it for yourself, but I think it's more for your kids than yourself. Let me tell you about it. So it does have shocks, and they do look like oil-filled shocks, but they are actually spring-filled shocks. So in other words, there's no dampening really. If you're taking this over a gravel road or a lot of bumps, it will just bounce all over the place, but it is a buggy designed to do that, so it might be pretty cool. Here's the cool thing about it. It is brushless. It does have a 35 amp ESC, and because of that, it has a 3S battery power, and it comes with the 3S battery. It is mostly made out of plastic, but it does have squishy tires, and there are some metal pieces, and the metal pieces that count are thankfully made out of metal. Like the gears are all metal gears. It is a four-wheel drive, and it also has axles that are metal, which is good. And in the kit, for some reason, they give you an awful lot of spare parts. So are they expecting I'm going to smash and destroy this? These forward lights come to life, as well as this top bar set of lights. There's lights in all of them, and it all lights up, so driving around is pretty cool. There are no lights in the back, but you do get a spare tire, which is pretty nice. It's not super expensive. It does come with the remote, instruction kit, everything you need, and like I said, lots of spare parts. Range on this is supposed to be about 100 meters. That's pretty far, and it's supposed to run with the included battery for about 15 minutes if you keep on driving it like full blast. So if you drive it like a normal person, on, off, lots of periods of rest, you probably get a half-hour run time. But if you're just going to go, you'll get like 15 minutes, according to the website. Now that's another thing, according to the website. The website says the speed on this is about 45 kilometers per hour, but the box says the speed is 65 kilometers per hour. So I think there's something going on with the Chinglish, whereas the Chinese conversion of the English has made it not come across with the kilometers and miles per hour. So for that reason, we're going to find out today. So all I'm going to do today to make this video really short and not waste a lot of your time is I'm going to drive it, give you my first impressions, then we'll take it for a speed run, and after the speed run I'll give you my final thoughts. So here we go. Now the cool thing about this car is that you can leave it all plugged in. Don't even unplug the battery, because they have the ESC button, power button right here, so I can turn it on. There we go. I don't know if you can see the lights out in the bright sky, but they're on solid, and we are ready to go. So let me give you my first impressions of this brushless 3S powered system. Okay, let's see if it goes straight. Well, you know what? Out of the box, it's pretty straight. Hope it's waterproof. Hope it's waterproof. Holy crap. I just threw it down in the water. All right. I think it is waterproof. Well, it's got to be now, or else I've just... oh my God, that looks gross. There we go. So I can confirm right now it seems to be waterproof. Still works. And it's not bad with the tires. Okay, so I'm giving my first impressions of driving it. Just toasted my GoPro. What kind of review is this? Okay, first impressions of the car are pretty good. First impressions of me over here trying to do this review are not so good. I am having no luck. Hang on a sec. Let's take it for a quick speed run. All right, I'll bring it back full speed. Of course, I'll aim it right at the GoPro. I did aim it right at the GoPro. I didn't mean to. It is pretty fast. I gotta do a speed run with this thing. So first impressions are turning is really good. You keep it at a good speed, no issues. If you want to go super fast, I'm not even at full blast yet. It's fast. Here, let's bring it back. Try not to hit the GoPro again. There's full blast. And the brakes. Brakes are good. All right, let's do a speed run. All right, you can probably see this on my soaking wet car. I have the GPS little device on it, so this will give us the true speed. All right, let's see how she does. Just drive along here, do a few treks up and down. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. That was full speed there. Take it back. Oh, it keeps on heading for my GoPro. It doesn't like the GoPro. It's full speed again. Put the brakes on. I'm gonna guess full speed is probably, the 45 is probably correct. I don't think the 65 is correct. Even going farther now. Bring it back full speed. Almost hit the GoPro again. And there we go. Bring her over and let's see what the top speed is. See who was right. Is it 45 or 65? Stop and read. 46. So whoever said 46, which was the website, I guess they were correct. The box is totally incorrect. Oh, and just in case you can't see it, that's 46 kilometers per hour. And I'll put below what that is in miles per hour. All right, let's see how it does in the water. All right, so final thoughts of the buggy. Well, let me bring it close and show you how messed up it is with all the crap from going through the water. You know, the snow has recently melted and there's just a lot of crap and junk left behind from fall last year. And yeah, that's what you get. So it's all hooked into this car. Final thoughts? It's not bad. It's better than I thought. I was coming out here thinking I was going to review some sort of goofy car for kids, but it actually drives really well and it's quite durable as well. It took a few spin outs and there's nothing wrong with it. It's really, really nice. Range is really decent. I went all the way to the end of the road. A lot of times I have cars for review and I can't even make it to the end of the road. This one, no problem. I do like the lights in the front. It looks pretty cool. I turned these ones off so that I save some battery power. So all in all, a really good car filled with leaves and crap from last year. Let me show you what comes in the box. Check this out. This is the box the buggy comes in. Inside the box you'll find the instruction manual plus the buggy and a spare wheel. A 2.4 gigahertz remote is included. You will need 3 AA batteries to power it, and it does have the typical functions of your average remote. Other items included would be tools, spare parts, a light bar, and battery and charger. Removing the cover, we can look at the inside of the buggy. And here you can see the brushless motor, the ESC, and the servo horn. Here you can see suspension is adequate. On the bottom you'll find a metal rock plate. The body is covered in a protective coating which you can remove, and lights come to life just by powering on the car. You do get an extra pinion gear and you do get an extra spur gear, and when I check them out, you can see right here in the video, when I check them out, they look to be the same size of what's already in there. Normally when you get a pinion gear and spur gear, it's of a different size so you can go faster. I was thinking it should be a different size so you can reach that 65 kilometers per hour. Maybe it is a different size. I really didn't take it apart enough to know, but you'll have to check that out. All right guys, so links are below to where you can find this baby. I don't know the price, but it doesn't seem like it should be too expensive, so go check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to stop talking because I have people walking by me here who keep wondering why I'm talking into this little electronic device while sitting in the middle of the highway. All right guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.